Hello, welcome to today's class on cosine rule. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe on these videos we are treating together. These things we are treating together. Now, cosine rule is just another brand of sine rule. Just another brand of sine rule. We use it in solving triangles too. Given a triangle ABC, it can be shown that given a triangle ABC, a triangle where there are three angles at the vertices with opposite sides labeled accordingly, it can be shown that side A squared is given by side B squared plus side C squared minus 2BC cos A. Side B squared is also A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos B, and same thing for C2. That's one way of writing the cosine rule. We can also write it like this. It's the same thing. If we write cos A is side B squared plus the cosine of angle A is B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. Also, we can write that the cosine of angle B is A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2AC. And the cosine of angle C is what? A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. All right, let's dive into a few examples. Here in this exercise, it says that we should calculate the length of the side opposite the given angle in each of the triangles below. Each of them is labeled ABC. First one, okay, let me see, 5, 3, 49. Okay, number one. Is that one? Okay. Number one, A, B, C. A, B, C. 49 degrees, 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters. We are finding the length of the side. We are looking for the length of the side opposite this angle. So that means we are looking for the length of side A. You know, this angle is angle A. The side opposite it is also called side A. So we are looking for the length of this side. It's as simple as that. Now, using this cosine rule, we use the cosine rule when we have we use the cosine rule, or we start solving a triangle using the cosine rule when we have one angle and the included side, or let's say when we have two sides and the included angle. This means when we have two sides of the triangle and we have the angle between them. That's what we mean by having two sides and the what? And the included angle. Just like having 5, 3, and 49 here. So if I need side A, I'm going to use A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC then times the cosine of A. That's how I'm going to find side A. That will give me A squared is what? B squared. B, this is B, this is C. B is the side facing angle B, and C is the side facing angle C. So this is what? A squared is equal to B squared, which is 3 squared, plus C squared, which is 5 squared, minus 2 times 3, 5 squared, minus 2 times what? Minus 2 times 3 times 5 times the cosine of angle A. This will give me 9 plus 25 minus what? 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 5, 30. That's 9 plus 25 minus 30 cos 49. So what I'm going to do is very simple. This will give me A squared. 9 plus 49, I can do that separately, but I need to do this one in bracket separately too. 9 plus 25 will give me 34. So 34 minus 30 cos 49. It's good practice to keep this right hand side in bracket. Everything after the minus should be kept in bracket just in case a minus pops up from our cosine, so that we know how to handle the minus carefully. So that gives me A squared is what? Is 34 minus whatever you get from here, you put it down and simplify. Let's do it together. Let me see if I can use my browser here. Scientific calculator. Okay, 30 cos 49. 30, let's change this to degrees. 30 cos what? 49. 19.68. So 34 minus 19.68. You understand? There's no negative in this answer, so I can just write it down straight. So you get your answer. 34 minus 19.68. What does it give you? 34 minus 19.68. 14.32. So a squared is 14.32. A is equal to square root of 14.32. You get your answer. You get your answer. You get your answer for the value of A and put it down here. You can write to 2 decimal places. Your answer should be in centimeters. So that's question 1. Let's go to question 2. It's in question 2, we are given the triangle. What's our triangle in question 2? Let me remove this. We are given a triangle BAC. We are given a triangle BAC. 1, 2, 46. Okay, BAC. 46 degrees. 1 centimeters, 2 centimeters. We are looking for side B, the side opposite. We are looking for the side opposite the angle provided. So that means we are looking for side B. What does that mean? It means we say B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC times cos what? B. Just get used to it. You understand? This is how we do it. You know, B squared will be what? A squared plus C squared minus 2 times A times C cos B. Same thing if you are looking for C. C squared will be A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. So you get used to the rule. It's very simple. What will this give you? This will give you B squared is equal to 2 squared plus 1 squared minus 2 times 1 cos 46 degrees. Let's keep this in bracket in case there's a minus. That's 4 plus 1 minus what? 4 cos 46 degrees. So this will give you 5 minus 4 cos 46. What does that give us? Let's use our calculator for that. 4 cos 46. Let me use my calculator for that. Degrees. 4 cos 46. 2.78. That's 5 minus 2.78. 5 minus 2.78. What does it give you? 5 minus 2.78. 2.22. So B squared is equal to 2.22. That gives us what? B is square root of 2.22. B is equal to, you write your answer to 2 decimal places when you get it. So this means very easily you can answer question 3, question 4, 5, 6, 7 yourself. Let's make that our exercise. Classwork. Questions 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we continue from number 8 together. You can pause and try it yourself. So when I answer it, you'll be able to check. All right, let's continue. Let's go straight to question 8. In question 8, B is 135.5 degrees, C is 8, A is 5. Okay, 135.5 in question 8. Angle B is 135.5 degrees, C is 8 centimeters, A is 5 centimeters. Let me check that again. C is 8 centimeters. C is 8 centimeters. Excuse me. And A is what? 5 centimeters. Let's be fast now. Okay. To make my work very easy, I can draw a diagram. I'm making this obtuse because I can already see my B is obtuse. 135.5 degrees. Let's put my A here. So it will be facing the shortest side, 5 centimeters. And put my C here. So that this is 8 centimeters. Now, we have to find the side opposite the angle provided. So we are finding side B. Because side B, side B, side B, or let's say B is the side opposite the angle provided. And that's what we are looking for. So let's go. Using the cosine rule, B squared is what? A squared. B squared is A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos what? Cos B. B squared is A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos B. So that means my B squared is going to be A squared. That's 5 squared. Don't forget, this is angle A. So this is what? Side A. Can you see? This is the side opposite angle A. 5 centimeters. So I'll use A squared. This is the side opposite C. So this is side C. So that means B squared is 5 squared, which is A squared, plus 8 squared, which is C squared, minus 2 times 5 times 8 cos what? 135.5. You will appreciate using brackets now, because in this question, this will give me 25 plus 64 minus, this is going to give you a negative answer. Make sure your calculator is in degrees. When you solve this, it will give you the answer inside this bracket will come negative, because cos 135.5 is negative in degrees. So that gives you what? 89 minus something, which will end up being plus. 89 plus, you put the answer in your bracket here. You know, minus times minus, we already make it plus here. So you simplify that yourself. Put the answer down. B squared is so and so. B is square root of that thing. Then finally write your B in centimeters. You can leave it in 2 decimal places or 3 or 1. I mean. Let's answer question A. 125.4, 2.4. Okay. Question 9, angle A is 125.4 degrees. Okay. What are the? B is 2.4, C is 5. Side B is 2.4 centimeters. Side C is 5 centimeters. Okay, I think drawing the diagram will help us here. Let's make A obtuse. Okay, A 125.4 degrees. Can you see that? Let's put our B here and put our C here. Okay, so the side facing C is side C, 5 centimeters. The side facing angle B is what? Side B, which gives you what? Side B is what? 2.4 centimeters. So in the question in this exercise, we are looking for the side opposite the angle provided. So that means we are looking for side A. Let's do that together now. Using the cosine rule, A squared is equal to what? B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. let's keep it together so you don't think there's a space there. That will give me a squared is b squared. This is b. I think I need to always show that so you don't get, this is angle b, so this is side b, 2.4. Can you see that? So that gives me 2.4 squared plus c squared. This is angle c, so this is side c. This is side c, no mistake. This is side c, so that's 2.4 plus 5 squared minus 2 times 2.4 times 5 cos, that's minus 2bc, cos what? 125.4. Cos 125.4 degrees. So put it together. 24 times 24, let's check. Okay, let me use my calculator here. That should be 24 times 24. 5.76. 2.4 times 2.4 is 5.76 plus 5 squared is 25. 5 squared is 25 minus, this should give you, put a bracket here in order to avoid missing the minus that will come from that cosine. So keep a bracket here. Keep brackets around it. Now here, 2 times 2.4, that's 4.8. 4.8 times 5. 4.8 times 5 is 24. So 24 cos 125.4. 24 cos 125.4 degrees. So this gives you 30.76 minus, the answer here will come negative because of this cosine. This cosine is negative in degrees. So you do your minus times minus to give you plus. That tells you a squared is going to give you 30.76 plus whatever you get here. Get your answer. Get the square root of your answer. Get your final answer in 2 decimals centimeters. So so that ends exercise that ends exercise 9a, our first set of examples on cosine rule. So answer number 12 as your homework.